At the NCAA Women's Final Four basketball game during the halftime show, one performer managed to make a crazy shot with a bow and arrow using her feet. An incredible display of skill by Zlatan Ibrahimovic happened when he managed to score a goal by doing a bicycle kick from around 30 yards. A kind of awkward moment during a boxing match happened when both boxers hit each other in the wrong place at the same time, and well, it took them a minute to recover. Okay, not sure what went through LeBron's mind here, but a kind of weird move by LeBron James happened when he let Ian Clark steal the ball just to block the shot from him. An incredible display of skill by Paul Babek happened during a race in which he lost one ski and still managed to finish the race and make a good decent time. At UFC 141 weigh-ins, a moment went viral when one of the ring girls was admiring the fighter's body a little too much. Even though 360 dunks are impressive, there has been only one NBA player who is able to successfully do a 720 dunk, and it's amazing to watch. Okay, this is when things get a tad bit weird. Back in 1995, during a Mike Tyson boxing match, in the background of the footage you can see what looks like a man recording on a smartphone, which even made people question if this could be proof of time travel, since smartphones were not a thing back then. Okay, not sure how this punch would be numbered by a boxing judge, but a funny moment to watch happened when a boxer accidentally punches himself. After a player missed an open goal by hitting the pole instead, his teammates saw an opportunity, but in a 1 in a million moment the referee actually intercepted the goal.
Aquí él se la pedía, acaba anticipando.
No,
yo creo que Oscar
no. El árbitro es el héroe del Toluca. No puede ser. El árbitro.
With water tubing being a relatively easy and fun water sport, many people give it a try, but a good lesson to learn is that if you are light and the board goes fast, you might start flying. When undefeated former UFC fighter Khabib was doing press for an upcoming fight, there was a ring girl wearing revealing clothing, and that's when his father stepped in to cover her. Sometimes one can get a little too excited. After scoring a point at a badminton game, one of the players got a little too hyped up after scoring and attempted to take his shirt off, something he regretted seconds later.
That's what it means to them. They work so hard all year round.
An awkward moment for an NBA happened when the cameras caught him getting a high five rejected by none other than LeBron James. At the Esports Event League Championship Series, for some reason, the host tried hyping up the audience by getting them to sing along to a song, and well, the problem is that the song had no actual lyrics.
Get involved and sing along with me.
In an amazing play at a high school basketball game, one of the players made an incredible dunk which caused the backboard to break. At a Celtics vs 76ers game, a bad timing moment happened when two players decided to flop at the exact same time, which left everyone kind of confused. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.